it's Shannarie here, and today we're gonna make butter slime with just 2 ingredients, and I'm gonna tell you those ingredients starting at the video. And also it's more like a dough because you can shape things with it and it's stretchy like this. It's so satisfying and I promise you will love it. And let's start now. So first you need to put your shampoo inside your container, and after that you need to put your cornstarch in there. And I cut it a bit more big because it's the something like that is really small, and I just open it so big. And now just mix it and mix it, and I'll give you a tip. If it doesn't stick together, just put even more cornstarch, and if it's really hard, you can't stretch it, just add even more shampoo. And after all of those hard working things, you are done. And now you have your stretchy slime. It's not pokeable, I promise you it's not pokeable, but it's stretchy and it's like marshmallows. And I love it so much. I really want to eat it. And here is your butter slime. And that's all for now, guys. This is my first slime video, and I hope you like it. And make sure to make this slime because it's so satisfying, and I promise you, you will love this slime. And also, subscribe and comment below and like this video because you don't want to miss my future videos. And I love you guys. Bye!